Hello and welcome back, health and fitness enthusiasts. Today's topic is ginger power. How 7 days of eating ginger can transform your body. Ginger is not only a flavorful spice that adds a zing to your meals, but it also possesses remarkable nutritional and medicinal benefits. Adding ginger to your diet for just 7 consecutive days can have a transformative impact on your body and overall well-being. Let's delve into the 10 ways in which ginger can work its magic. Enhance digestion. Digestive issues can disrupt our daily lives, causing discomfort and affecting our overall health. Thankfully, ginger comes to the rescue. Consuming ginger for 7 days can improve digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, promoting efficient nutrient absorption, and reducing inflammation in the gut. It can alleviate indigestion, bloating, and even provide relief from gastrointestinal distress. Immune system boost. Ginger is a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can give your immune system a significant boost. These properties help protect the body against common illnesses by strengthening the immune response, reducing oxidative stress, and fighting off harmful pathogens. By incorporating ginger into your diet for a week, you provide your body with an extra layer of defense. Weight management aid. If you're on a weight loss journey, ginger might become your new best friend. Studies suggest that ginger can aid in weight management by boosting metabolism and suppressing appetite. It helps increase calorie expenditure, making it easier to shed those extra pounds. Incorporating ginger into your meals for 7 days can support your weight loss efforts and improve your body composition. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is the root cause of many chronic conditions, such as arthritis and joint pain. The potent anti-inflammatory compounds present in ginger, such as gingerols and shogjels, have shown promising effects in reducing inflammation and alleviating associated symptoms. Consuming ginger for a week can provide relief, improve joint mobility, and enhance overall comfort. Improved cardiovascular health. Taking care of our heart health is crucial, and ginger can play a significant role in that regard. Research suggests that ginger may help reduce cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure, contributing to improved cardiovascular health. Incorporating ginger into your diet for 7 days can support a healthy heart and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. Alleviation of menstrual discomfort. For women who experience menstrual cramps and discomfort, ginger can provide natural relief. Ginger's natural pain-relieving properties help relax the uterine muscles and reduce menstrual pain. By consuming ginger during the menstrual cycle for a week, women can experience reduced cramps, lessened discomfort, and improved overall well-being. Anti-nausea remedy. Whether it's nausea caused by motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, or general queasiness, ginger has long been used as a natural remedy. Its anti-nausea properties can help calm the stomach, alleviate vomiting, and ease the sensation of queasiness. For pregnant women, ginger can be a safe and effective way to manage morning sickness symptoms. Mental clarity and focus. Beyond its physical benefits, ginger also has potential cognitive advantages. Consuming ginger regularly has been associated with improved concentration, memory, and overall brain function. Its antioxidant compounds help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting mental clarity and focus. Adding ginger to your diet for a week may give your cognitive abilities a welcome boost. Culinary versatility and tips. Incorporating ginger into your daily meals is easier than you might think. Grate fresh ginger into stir-fries, soups, or smoothies for a zesty kick. Alternatively, infuse hot water with ginger slices to create a soothing ginger tea. Experimenting with ginger-based recipes such as ginger-infused desserts or ginger marinades can provide you with delicious ways to reap its benefits. Conclusion. After just 7 days of incorporating ginger into your diet, you can experience a range of transformative benefits. From improved digestion and strengthened immunity to reduced inflammation and enhanced cardiovascular health, ginger offers a wealth of advantages. Don't hesitate to harness the power of this versatile spice and witness the positive changes it can bring to your body and well-being. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or if you have any specific health concerns. Enjoy your ginger-powered journey towards a healthier you. If you got any value from this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and best of luck on your fitness journey.